Hey there, Nosters! This week's work from home craft project is super easy and is a great way to keep the kids entertained while you work. We will be making a DIY jigsaw puzzle. Okay, Nosters, the first step is to select one of the templates that you would like to use for the jigsaw puzzle and drag it into a Google Doc. From there, we'll go ahead and drag a photo that you would like to use. And for this photo, it is not a square, so we just want to go ahead and crop it so that it's a square. And from here, we will go ahead and resize this image to fit the size that we made for the jigsaw template. Okay, now that my template and my photo are the same size, all we have to do is go ahead and just print them. Okay, Nosters, now that we have our jigsaw template and our picture printed out, we're just going to go ahead and cut along the edges. Okay, now that we have our picture and the template cut out, we want to go ahead and glue the backs of them together. And you really want to make sure that you cover the entirety of this so that it's really stuck together. I'm gluing it on a piece of paper, like on top of it, so that I don't get stuff all over this counter. And also, if you do have cardboard, like a cardboard box laying around, you can glue this to the cardboard instead and then cut out whatever shape you want. But the thing is with that, I didn't have any laying around. Some people might if you're getting some things delivered to your house. That way it's thicker. So I just did kind of, these white papers are pieces of cardstock. So now you really want to press this down so it stays together, and you want to let it dry because this glue made the paper pretty damp. And since I have this little extra white piece, I'll just go ahead and trim that as well. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and the glue is dried. So what we want to do now is flip it over to the template side and just start to cut. So you can do the template with smaller and a lot more pieces. It just turns into a very long but fun version of cutting this out. And if you were to do your puzzle on cardboard, where you just paste your piece of paper onto cardboard, you could literally cut out whatever shape you want because it would still go together as a puzzle. Or what could be fun too is you can kind of make this like it could be like a secret message where you do, okay, let's decode a secret message, and you write on this template just like this, the secret message, and the kids have to put together the message. Now it's time to put together your puzzle, and you might want to make sure that the pieces are kind of flat. You can always put them underneath a book or whatever you have on hand to flatten them out, since they could still be a little wet from the glue. All right, and there you have it. Our puzzle is put together. Again, there's templates that are very complicated and littler pieces if you have the time or patience. I mean, that would be a great way to keep kids occupied. Hand them some safety scissors and little puzzle pieces, and they will be set for quite a while. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.